new Miss PNI India is Riya Suting!
Hey there, we came in this dhaba for some refreshments. We don't know what to buy yet. Then chips too. You hear about chips? Chalo, let's go and buy something. I bought my friend kurkure and we're gonna head back to the car, and like a few more hours are left to see our sis Miss P and I, and there we go. That's my mom. Shame. Ima. Masha. I bought my buddy kurkure. I have to hug it. We're here in the airport. So we're here, guys. At the airport. It's Guwahati Airport, and our sister's arrived. We just told her to wait. Let's go and see her. It's just so beautiful, guys. Just look at it. It's my first time at the airport. Gate 5. I just came from the car. I forgot the bouquet. Bouquet. Where is my mom? I have to go to the highway. There she is. I'll show you there. Very hot, guys. And there she arrived. Guys, she looks so pretty, isn't it? Give me the bouquet. Let me show you whom I'm with. Kong². And here, you can see guys, and she's Meghalaya Watch. Guys.
Finally, I'm home. It feels great.
What clear naman ta?
So guys, oh my god, the race. Yeah. Hello guys, I'm ready and you can see my outfit. So we're gonna be heading to the press club and I'm still waiting. Ada kere kong dulu. Hi, I'm ready.
Come Shadeen.
2,000 years later.
Guys, we're here at the press club. So guys, we're done with the press conference. Hi. Kita ngintip siya. See you later. Hey guys, I got so many bouquets here. Just kidding, it's sometimes bouquets. Anyways, we're just here waiting for her. After a long day, we are finally here. My favorite spot. See guys, I'm so popular. We got many bouquets. See the decoration. Welcome. Most of the balloons blasted that time while we were getting ready. Iskoin mantas ni menga kumpliza lagi. Iskoin nada man ya kadang. Wani kong. There's Lucky. Finally, surwa dok ha bat turso ya bamjang.
Few inches later.
Yo again, welcome to my channel. Yo. Hello guys, welcome to Sana's channel. This is me Samya and this is Sana. Hi, what about Sana baby girl? I'm tired.
Hi guys.
It's already 11 o'clock guys. 11. By this time, if I was at home, I will be sleeping. But tomorrow is holiday. See, she looks so pretty.
So pretty. I'm not pretty. She's
She
so
looks
handsome and
She.
oh, he's so handsome.
Lady boy.
On BTS cakap aku.
Lady boy. Okay, then let me show you afterwards. Bye bye. See you. It's already 12 o'clock. See, I look so black. Even then, you can only see Akin. It's already 12 o'clock and now we're gonna go now. And you can see some of them. They are still behind. They're still walking. Look at this guy, so pretty. Some other people here walking. Let me go. Right. It's there, the mandir. Looks so good. Okay. Pilong kum na bangi muli siya tayo ta? Hello, biang. Kisno kum na kong sweet bangi muli siya tayo ta? Ma'am. Hipat kong sana. Smolong excited. Te yang inya kili siya dian ru menta bakisno kum na bangi muli rong. Dengan pen isyo ipis ya kajak kama. So pretty but kena hape sini kibon kistol hahani untuk kendang. So God. Guys, ngidan hang ni mentang ngilam. Masih je. Ngidan hani kini kilai ngot ki actress Sweet G, kong G, और ये है रीमा जी. Hey, ini dia pelik. Sure. Ini long serious pala ini kong रीमा. Ini kong sweet pada bersilat baik, very nice. Ini pada bersilat serious baik. Ya, kamu sa, kamu tu. Oh, kamu sama kami itu sama guys. Okay guys. Jangan lalu sendiri nak mentama guys. Sendiri asik mana? Chal sendiri nak. Ini ya bambu cika, ni lah ya meat nang teh. Ni lah yang ada one room. Ni lah ya one sini, ni bambu cika nak mentah. Ni lah banyak sini. Okay, ni bambu cika nama. Mentah sini. Mentah. Begini. Ni ikong rima. Devi snow kum na basi mo bambu cika.
Mate yang ngobang ben bambuska.
Oh, kenapa? Jangan seperti itu siapa lah bambu cika mo guys. Naru ngobang himan bambu cika. Tashim kan ya bang?
Ayo dia.
Why do you
287.
287? 790?
Bam.
100. Beli hak ni babam lu.
Ya.
Ada mukbang sa. Palat, labiang. Bang ni am.
Bang ha.
Bang ha.
And with that guys, we come to the end of the vlog. Thank you so much for watching.